Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're going to look at this. It's a Redtiger F7N dash cam. We're gonna check it out and kick it off right about now. So I've been checking out the Redtiger dash cam for quite a while, and I gotta tell you, I absolutely love it. Not only is it 4K and it ties into my iPhone as well as your Android device, but this has the G sensor. So if there's an accident, it immediately permanently records the footage of that accident, front and back, which makes a world of difference. About a month, maybe two ago, I was pulling out, I was at a stoplight, some lady, I stopped, they pulled forward and clipped my car. They tried to claim that I rear-ended them. I was stopped. I was able to take the footage right off the SD card. I was able to send it to my insurance company, and despite her getting a lawyer and claiming that she had whiplash, I had no problems. And they found her at fault because of my dash cam. That makes a world of difference. This has got GPS, so you know exactly where you are. It's got dual recording, loop recording, one-click sharing, one click. And of course, it is with your Wi-Fi. And the Android and iOS app are fantastic. So when you're looking at 4K recording, an extra wide lens, this thing is fantastic. This is a security for your entire system and for your car, for your life, for your bank. This thing makes a world of difference. So what else do I like it? Well, obviously this has that parking protection as well, the dual recording, the G sensor, and everything you need. This is recording front and back. No matter which direction you're going, you can even use it as a backup camera. So folks, if you're looking for a great dash camera, this thing lets you know exactly what's behind you. So if your car doesn't have that, that's a big advantage. The recording makes a difference to where you're safe, secure, sophisticated, and chic. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I'm gonna ask you to stick around for the up-close portion of the video where we show you this product details up close and personal. But if you're looking for a great dash camera, Redtiger is the brand of brand. It's the brands to beat. And that's the last thing I want to tell you about before we go to the up-close portion of the video. This brand is a premier brand that cares about their quality. You don't have to worry about it malfunctioning, breaking down. This is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. Trust your security with Redtiger. All right, thanks for watching and stick around for the up-close portion of the video. Up-close portion of the video. Stick around. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. This is by Redtiger. It's the ultimate HD driving recorder. In this portion of the video, I like to give you that touch, taste, and feel of the product that maybe you don't get from other creators. So, Redtiger delivers in Ultra 4K, Ultra HD 4K. It's got the G-Shock sensor, which means if you're in an accident, it will be recording. The dual recording of both front and back cam, even if you're just watching one, it's recording. The GPS, the loop recording, the one-click sharing, Wi-Fi, and of course, it's good for your Android or iOS app. Now you can see it is a stylish and sophisticated design. And I'm very excited to check this thing out. Go ahead and take it out here. Boom. This could be a great gift idea. And holy cow, this thing is petite. I didn't realize it would be such a small device that saves you space. It's not interfering with your field of vision. All right, so let's take a look here. It says, please read the manual. Please do not bench test before installation. Set the time zone, date and time. Format your micro SD card. And it is recommended using the U3 SD card to record 4K. And go ahead and peel that back. So satisfying. All right, and look at that right there. That's fantastic. Now, within the box, let's see what we got. First person, folks, just like you were opening it yourself. There's the adhesive mount. That's nice, of course. Put that right on the windshield accordingly. Powered by your car outlet right there. DC 12 volt to 24 volt. And there's that backup camera making it easy to use. All right, folks, an extra piece of adhesive right there. Easy peasy, to the lemon, to the squeezy. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.
Redtiger, always go to dashcam.